Hey friends, Sarah here from Grace in My Space. Today I'm going to tackle my dining. Has very limited decorating space because of so many openings with doors and windows. So I'm going to try and attempt to take all of this and create some kind of springy wall accent right there. I'm going to attempt to use some twine to make like a dangling flower living wall. So the first step I'm going to try and do is take my twine, tie it to the branch, and create like a cascading effect with the twine that I will then be able to attach the flowers to, and hopefully it looks good. So I just tied double knots on every piece of twine right around the branch. Now I'm gonna take this random assortment of flowers. I stuck with pinks, whites, and light yellows amidst my greens. And I'm going to group them in variation, like different colors, different types of flower, and I'm gonna dangle them like this from the twine. Alright, so let's slow it down for you and show you how I'm doing this. So I'm grouping the different flower combo. I'm just kind of randomly grabbing stuff. I'm not really trying to do any certain pattern or anything, but I do like the combo of varying colors in one little group. And then I have this dangly thing, so I'm gonna kind of make that dangle a little bit more and create a little bit of height difference. I'm gonna chop off the end, and I'm trying to decide, I think I might want to hang them at varying levels, so I'm going to do this one up a little bit, and I just take the twine, wrap it around the group of stems twice so that it's tight, pull it tight, and then tie it in a knot. Make sure and head to the blog to see the entire dining room decked out for spring. Thanks for following along, and make sure